Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to learn about design thinking based case study. The name of the case study is The Missing Ledger, a real-time bookkeeping challenge at Mango. In this case study, we have taken an imaginary retail shop that is named as Mango Mart. We are going to learn this Mango Mart is a small supermarket chain owned by an entrepreneur in Coimbatore. It has recently expanded in 2 new branches. So it is recently established company and it has expanded 2 new branches in different locations. Okay. The cashier used paper-based entry and WhatsApp messages to record purchases and sales. So what has happened is the cashier has used only paper-based entries, which means he doesn't use any computer-based entries. He has just recorded all sorts of purchases and sales transactions in paper. He has entered all the transactions in a notebook. When the accountant came to prepare the final books, they noticed that several entries were duplicated, missed or misclassified. As a result, the trial balance didn't tally. So actually, what is the problem here? At the end of the month, the accountant has come to check the overall statement. When he checked, he came to know that there are so many confusions in the recording of transactions because it is not properly recorded. Some transactions are missed and some transactions are misclassified. Okay, so they want to bring a solution. So with the help of design thinking approach, we have to empathize the problem first. So the first thing is, what is the main thing to be noted here? Can anyone say? What is the first thing gone wrong here? Is it right to maintain records in papers? Is it right? Tell me the answers. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Will it create confusion? Definitely it will create confusion, isn't it? So we have to think about the real problem in this case study. The second stage is define stage. In this stage, we have almost defined the problem. Mango Mart is unable to maintain accurate bookkeeping. This is the actual problem. What is the main problem? Inability to maintain proper bookkeeping records due to improper recording method. So we have clearly defined the problem. What is the main problem here? They have not properly recorded the transactions. The transactions are happened like as usual, but the method they have chosen to record those transactions is wrong. Isn't it? So we have clearly defined the actual problem in the second stage. Have you all understand? So this is the second stage. Then move on to the third one, ideate stage. In this stage of ideation, we have to think what we can do to solve such a problem. Students can be grouped and tasked to think of multiple ways to solve the bookkeeping issues. Now it's your part. You have to tell me the suggestion. What are the things can be done to solve this issue? What can be done? Can anyone tell me any suggestion? What can be done? You have clearly said the method of recording is wrong, isn't it? So what can be done? Give me some ideas. Yes, Fatima. Very good. The first suggestion is, as she told, we can digitalize the method of recording the transactions, isn't it? That's why they are giving some ideas. The first one, introducing a digital accounting app. We can use digital accounting app. Like we have clearly known about certain apps like Zogo, Books, Tally, etc. Isn't it? We can use such apps for recording transactions. What else we can do? Train cashier to record transactions using simple journal format. We can give training to the cashier how to record those transactions in journal format, not just entry, debit and credit. He has to follow a complete format. Then create a common template for entries. What do you mean by template? A fixed format. If transaction happen, we have to enter all the transactions in a fixed format. So these are the various ideas which can be used to replace the wrong method of recording. Then the next stage is prototype stage. These things can be trialed. These things can be trialed in a small number of transactions. We can't use everything at a step, isn't it? So we can take few transactions and we can apply those ideas. It is known as prototype. Then the last stage is testing stage. In this stage, we can bring out the solutions. So we get certain transaction will be entered in the digital app. So everything will be sorted out. No entries will be missed. No entries will be misplaced, isn't it? Without using the paper book, all the transactions will be entered in the proper template in the digital app. So everything will be sorted out. The problem will be easily tallied. So there will not be any problem. So what is the learning outcome of this case study? What did you understand from this case study? If we do not follow proper recording method, we will not be able to maintain a proper bookkeeping system. Isn't it? In order to maintain wrong method, we can use appropriate digitalized solutions for keeping book of records safe. Thanks for listening.